Hi, I'm Shawn, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the Dyson cordless vacuum by Dyson. I've gotten a lot of requests for this, so stay tuned and strap in. The Dyson has two suction modes, high suction and max suction. Use the high suction when the max suction stops working. To get started, turn the Dyson upside down, like this. Brush dirt and debris into the rollers like this. Turn the Dyson on so that all the dirt can go through the system, like this. The Dyson has a dirt catch contraption that easily empties into the trash, like this. Or if you want to wait in mid-vacuum, it usually comes apart by itself, and you can do it that way too. Next, you'll want to vacuum up the mess. I'm using a Shark. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I enjoyed making it for you. I've learned some new things, and that's always exciting. Please like, subscribe, and share this. And as always, if there's anything that you want me to do better in life, please leave a description below. Thanks.